Los Cabos, top 10 fun ideas.
Hi, I'm KT Morgan, the host of Cabos Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos.
Life here is wonderful, but there's more to do than just amazing golf and fishing. So what are the best things to do in Los Cabos? Here are my top 10 rapid fire. First, you have to take a boat tour to the iconic arch at Land's End. From December to April, whale watching is a breathtaking must-see experience. For adventure, hit the desert trails on the ATV or enjoy the magic of the desert with a horseback ride through the cactus and on the beach. Explore the aquarium of the world by snorkeling at Chileno Bay and catching an incredible sunset sailing cruise. Experience the culture of Thursday Art Walk in San Jose. Have an unforgettable farm-to-table experience at Flora Farms. Finally, soak up the sun at Medano Beach, at a club, or take a day trip to the magic town of Todos Santos. That's just a taste of the incredible Cabo lifestyle. When you're ready to make it your reality, I'm here to help. We make it happen.